Calculate the sum of coefficients present in the independent balanced equations in different mediums. The first reaction is Fe2 plus and reaction with hydrogen peroxide in basic medium is converted to some new compounds, whereas the amount of Fe is 2 moles. The coefficients are X and Y for the generated compounds, that is A and B. Similarly, MnO4 on reaction with hydrogen peroxide in presence of acidic medium is converted to some new compound C, D followed by E with the coefficients X dash, Y dash as well as Z dash. You are asked to calculate X plus Y plus X dash plus Y dash plus Z dash. The summation of X plus Y plus X dash plus Y dash plus Z dash. Yes, to balance independently the given equations, if I take the first equation into account, the first equation is Fe2 plus. This is our Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus is allowed to react with whom? Hydrogen peroxide, whereas that medium is found to be basic medium. There is always only one chance for the Fe to undergo oxidation, that is Fe2 plus on oxidation is converted to Fe3 plus. If any Fe related reactions are there in the reactions, if Fe2 plus is your starting material, it will be converted to Fe3 plus. Suppose if Fe3 plus is your material, there is a chance to convert that Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus only. So therefore, if this undergoes oxidation, its N factor will becomes equal to 1. Whereas hydrogen peroxide, maybe it is acidic medium, maybe it is basic medium, maybe it is acting as oxidizing agent, or it can be acting as reducing agent. Everywhere its N factor is found to be 2. Vice versa, on writing the things, this will becomes as 2Fe2 plus 1 molecule of hydrogen peroxide. Whereas in these reactions, our Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus. Whereas if hydrogen peroxide undergoes a reduction, oxidation number -1 has to be converted to -2. That -2 related compound of hydrogen peroxide is water. Here 2 oxygens are there, and it is 2 water molecule formation occurs. This is the basic format of balanced equation in the form of skeletal manner. Whereas if I write the complete balanced equation, I have to balance the other atoms other than oxygen and the ferrous. Whatever other are there, these are to be balanced. Those atoms are oxygens here, oxygens here. Here oxygen atoms are 2 in number, here oxygen atoms are 2 in number, that is got balanced. So let us focus our attention towards the last case, that is hydrogens. Here hydrogens are 2, here hydrogens are 4. Here lack of 2 hydrogens, but the medium is basic medium. Whichever side it is lack, to that side you add that many number of water molecules, and the other side you add the same many number of OH minus ions. Now it results as 2 water got cancelled, that is 2Fe2 plus 1 molecule of hydrogen peroxide. This medium is which medium? Basic medium is converted to 2Fe3 plus followed by 2 OH minus. So this is 2. 2 is the reference over here, 2 is the reference. X and Y's, that is A and B's coefficient, for one of them 2, for other of them 2. So therefore you can claim it as what? This is 2. You can claim it as what? This is 2. This is first half of balancing. Let us go for the second equation given. On behalf of potential equation related to the hydrogen peroxide, when it is acting as oxidizing agent, its potential equation can be considered as hydrogen peroxide is losing one oxygen and it is converted to water molecule. Similarly, when MnO4 minus, that is plus 7 oxidation state, if it is converted to plus 2 oxidation state of 2 moles, then it will becomes equal to 10 electrons. 10 electrons are considered to be equal to 5 atoms of oxygen. So therefore, if I take this is 5 and this is 5, total will becomes equal to 5 oxygen atoms, that is 5 oxygen molecules. So the net equation on behalf of N factor, its N factor is 5 and its N factor is 2. So therefore 2 molecules of MnO4 minus plus 5 molecules of hydrogen peroxide is converted to, here 5 oxygen atoms plus 5 oxygen atoms, that is 5 oxygen molecules plus 2Mn2 plus 5 H2O molecules formation takes place. After attaining to this particular value, to balance the number of oxygen atoms, here 10 oxygens plus 5, 15 oxygens are there. Here 10 plus 8, 18 oxygens are there. 3 are lack. So therefore 3 H2O is added. as being this medium is acidic medium, to count the number of hydrogens over here. These hydrogens are, these are 6 plus 10. 16 hydrogens are there. There is no hydrogens, hence it is 16H plus. So the net balanced equation appears as 2MnO4 minus plus 5 molecules of hydrogen peroxide plus 6H plus ions combination results as 5O2 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. Here one in them is A, B, C, X dash, Y dash, M plus Z dash. The sum of coefficients are 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 will becomes what? 15, 15 plus 4. This is 15, 15 plus 4 will becomes equal to 19. The value of X plus Y plus X dash plus Y dash plus Z dash will reach us as 19.